Well, now we've got the baby, and what a babe she is. Her eyes are green, she's quite a queen, we call her Pretty Liz. And every night when I get home, me wife she says to me, get the perambulator and don't go far away.
Wheel the perambulator, John, wheel it nice and slow. Don't get wild, mind the child, careful as you go. When you turn the corner, John, when you cross the road, just cock your front wheels up a bit, or over goes your load.
Last time I took the baby out, it was in the pram. I turned the blooming thing upside down, I don't know where I am. I cracked the baby's head and I took a piece off his nose, and now I daren't go home again for fear of my wife Rose.
Wheel the perambulator, John, wheel it nice and slow. Don't get roiled, mind the child, careful as you go. When you turn the corner, John, when you cross the road, just cock your front wheels up a bit, or over goes your load.
The other night when we went out, we left the baby behind. I said to me wife, I think you're very kind. But as we were walking along, we met with Mrs. Gray. She had the perambulator and she was going her way.
Wheel the perambulator, John, wheel it nice and slow. Don't get roiled, mind the child, careful as you go. When you turn the corner, John, when you cross the road, just cock your front wheels up a bit, or over goes your load.
Well, now we've got the baby, and what a babe she is. Her eyes are green, she's quite a queen, we call her Pretty Liz. And every night when I get home, me wife she says to me, get the perambulator and don't go far away.
Wheel the perambulator, John, wheel it nice and slow. Don't get roiled, mind the child, careful as you go. When you turn the corner, John, when you cross the road, just cock your front wheels up a bit, or over goes your load. Wheel the perambulator, John, wheel it nice and slow. Don't get roiled, mind the child, careful as you go. When you turn the corner, John, when you cross the road, just cock your front wheels up a bit, or over goes your load.